Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Well, if you have read the title, you already know the reason behind me being so happy and excited. Also, the reason why I'm dressed like this is because it's Diwali season and I've got to tell you that this Diwali was one of the best Diwalis that I've ever celebrated till date. And the reason is I have got 2 lakh rupees. Yeah, that's right. And that is because I study in Wenzhou Medical University in China and I'm in India because of the whole pandemic situation. And in my university, the students who scored really good marks and top their respective batches have the privilege to get the Zhejiang government scholarship. And this year, I had my name in the Zhejiang government scholarship 2021 list, which makes me super happy. And now let me tell you the story of how I got to know that I got the scholarship. And it was a Diwali morning. I woke up, freshened up, and checked my phone. So I was just expecting the random and typical stereotype messages that you get on Diwali, the long messages. But to my surprise, as soon as I opened WhatsApp, I had tons of messages from my seniors and from my batchmates wishing me congratulations, along with their happy Diwali messages. So I texted one of my seniors saying, why is she wishing me congratulations? And she told me that I won the Zhejiang government scholarship and I couldn't believe it. So I went to my university group in my phone and I checked the list multiple times, and when I saw my name, I just couldn't believe my eyes and I just kept on checking it to make sure it's really me. And the best feeling was when I told my parents about it. Their happy faces were the best thing in the world. And that is why my Diwali became so special. And you know what? Whenever you have any achievement, no matter how big or how small, so the one thing that you get to hear after congratulations is, where's my party?
Well, I don't have to worry about this party question though, because I live in Akola, and if you do as well, you have to know this place called the Burger Coast. The Burger Coast is a place where you can get exciting and finger-licking delicious burgers and mouth-watering biryanis along with different types of wraps and kebabs that are just too difficult to resist. Well, while you must be watching these clips of their delicious foods, you can also see a picture where I ended up eating the burgers once the shoot was completed. This is how tasty their burgers are. So make your Diwali even better by ordering from the Burger Coast on their website www.theburgercoast.in. You can also install the TBC Akola app from the Google Play Store. And here's an offer for you. You can use my coupon code Girija20 to get a flat 20% off on all your orders if you order from their app or from their website. Well, they are available on Zomato and Swiggy as well. So what are you waiting for? Place an order and make your Diwali even better.
Now let me get back to my journey of scholarships. And that is, in my first year, I did not get any scholarship, okay? And I was heavily disheartened by it. And the scholarship not only requires good marks, but it requires your good performance in other categories as well, like your attendance and other co-curricular activities or participation in various sports, etc. And when I did not get the scholarship in first year, I was heavily demotivated. But then in my second year, I tried to make myself better and managed to get the school scholarship. Now, what is a school scholarship? So the school scholarship is slightly at a lower level than the Zhejiang government scholarship, and I managed to get a scholarship worth rupees 10,000, which is equivalent to 1,000 yuan in my university, and I was happy with it, but I still was a little demotivated because I did not get the Zhejiang government scholarship. And this year, I not only worked hard for this one, but I manifested the scholarship. And trust me, manifestation really works. And this is the most important message that I want to give out to all of you through this video. Manifestation works wonders and hard work pays off. You just need to believe in yourself, ignore all the negativity that exists around you, and just focus on becoming better every year. 2021 was one of the most precious years for me because it made me a better person and I finally got my name in the Girija government scholarship list. There are a lot of students in my university who are brilliant, who are definitely hard workers and get their name in this list every single year. And if you're watching this video, it really inspires me. And I really want to take an opportunity to thank all my best friends and all my seniors in my university who have kept on supporting me throughout my journey, and they still do. So thank you so much guys for existing, and my parents have always been super supportive for me, and this is what gives me ultimate motivation and strength. So I just want to let you know that manifestation works, believe in yourself, and whatever you wish for, you'll get it. This is a sign. Until then, if you really liked my journey of the scholarships, my Diwali experience, and my overall experience of 2021 till date, make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which I'll mention over here, because there I post amazing reels and posts, not on a daily basis, but yeah, sometimes, and you can check that out. So I will provide all the links that I mentioned in this video in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to have your cup of positivity. Till then, manifest because it works magic.
When I sing my song, let me